Need to remove your phone from PhoneLink completely. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to unlink your phone from PhoneLink on Windows. We'll remove the connected device, stop future syncing, and make sure your phone is no longer linked to your computer. So let's get started. Begin by opening PhoneLink on your Windows computer. If your phone is connected, you'll see it on the main dashboard along with its current connection status. Click the Settings icon, then open the Devices or My Devices section. Here you'll find every phone currently linked to your Microsoft account through PhoneLink. Select your phone and choose the Remove Device or Unlink option. Confirm your choice when prompted. Once completed, PhoneLink will stop syncing calls, messages, notifications, photos, and other supported features for that device. If you're using an Android phone, it's also a good idea to turn off Link to Windows from your phone settings. On Samsung devices, you can usually find this under Connected Devices. Yeah, this helps prevent your phone from reconnecting automatically. If your phone was paired with your Windows computer through Bluetooth, you can remove that connection as well. Open Bluetooth settings on both devices and forget the paired device if you no longer need it. This keeps everything completely disconnected. If you ever want to use PhoneLink again, simply launch the app, choose to connect a new device, and complete the setup process from the beginning. Reconnecting only takes a few minutes. And that's how to unlink your phone from PhoneLink. Removing your device only takes a few moments, and you can always reconnect it later if you change your mind. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more Windows tutorials and helpful technology guides, and I'll see you in the next video.